for a super realistic power hour where I tackle 6 rooms within my house to get them sorted and back on track. I need this power hour more than anything, as you can see from the clips, so I packed my cleaning caddy with some super simple supplies and got straight to it, saving the absolute worst room until last. My intention was simple, 10 minutes per room, that's all I had to do and all I had to face, and as soon as those 10 minutes were done, so I decided to start in the hallway because, as you can see, our dog, Nova, had very kindly ripped Sophie to shreds. Sophie was a little duck, and when I say that stuffing was slippery as anything, that is no joke. I slipped on the stuffing of Sophie approximately 3 times. So that had to be cleared up straight away. And as I worked my way into the porch, which is also classed as the first room that we're tackling here, I spotted a charity bag, which is absolutely perfect for the room of doom that I was tackling last. Because if you've been around here before, you already know the score by now, and that room just needs to be sorted once and for all. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I seem to leave a trail of destruction behind me, which is why I seem to be spending a lot of my time backwards and forwardsing, picking things up, moving them. And one thing that I'm really conscious of is not just to always move them, but to actually put items away, which is why I go backwards and forwards quite a lot. So the 10 minutes for me throughout this whole clean were rather precious.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
I so wish I'd have had more time to tackle the living room, but unfortunately that 10 minutes went really, really fast. One thing that I did use whilst tidying up that monstrosity of a dining room table was the basket method. Now, I'm sure all of you will have heard of this before, where you get a basket or anything, chuck everything in and come back to it and deal with it later, which is exactly what I have done with that table. Just as I'd put the floor cleaner onto the floor, time was up, so I quickly scrubbed what I could and moved on to the next room. Does anybody else always seem to have an unrealistic expectation of time? Now, I would actually go as far to say that my time management isn't always the best, because I feel like I am superwoman, capable of getting so much done in a short space of time, and I'm really not. I fail every single time, and the kitchen is a perfect example of this. I didn't think I was going to be spending as much time just doing the general day-to-day cleaning tasks in here as what I actually ended up doing. I had big plans for this room, but unfortunately life had other plans, and I just spent the majority of my time cleaning the sides, which is something I'm sure you can all relate to. There was, however, one job that I was not willing to let slip within these 10 minutes, and that was to clean the glass on the kitchen door. It's one of those minor jobs, takes 2 seconds, but has such a huge impact because it was finally done and there was no more watermarks on the glass. Happy days.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart, I feel by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart. Let us show. 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐 난 돌아가지 않아 공허했었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난
If you're cleaning along with me at the same time, then we are now well past the halfway mark. What was that I hear you say? Hallelujah? Yep, I was right there with you as well when I started this bathroom clean. Because it is no secret, the bathroom is not my favourite. However, when you bring a timer into the situation, then that changes the ball game because, whew, I'm like a Tasmanian devil. It keeps me moving super quick, especially in the bathroom. And I don't really know why, because of how much I despise cleaning that room, but here we are. And I even pushed the boat out for this room because I got into it, giving it a little scrub-a-dub-dub, and I went over by 5 minutes, which meant for the last room, you guessed it, I only had 5 minutes, which I wasn't complaining about because I hate facing our guest bedroom.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better.
Which brings us now on to the last and final room, which is our guest bedroom. And I'm aware you wouldn't look at it and think it was a guest bedroom because neither do I, but here we are. So I used the charity bag that came through our door to pop a few items in to donate to that charity, and that's all I really got time for in this room. When I feel overwhelmed, I tend to move things around, which you'll notice there is also some of that going on. And as we go on holiday fairly soon, I've also started a holiday pile in this room. Does anybody else do that? Where they're thinking, oh, I need to keep that out to remember it. Or just me. Anyway, after getting sidetracked with that, sorry. Yeah, I just tend to move things around into different piles. It's not really productive and doesn't really get me anywhere. And that's pretty much where those 5 minutes went in this room. Not ideal. So to bring the power hour to an end, I brought the washing upstairs. This was outside of the hour, may I add. Started tidying that away, and that's it. As always, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I shall see you in the next one.